can you like be quiet? Thanks. Say. Hey guys, it's me, Alondra, and
Mari. And we have a special guest. That's his name.
Yeah.
Cool.
Life goes. So today we're filming outside, so there might be like random noises,
Air, wind, same thing. So today
we are going to be teaching the dog how to do stuff.
kind of
Woo!
self-explanatory,
Yeah.
right? You want to learn how to do stuff?
Yeah.
He said yeah. So no, by the way, this is not our dog.
No,
so
we ain't got anything.
in case you were wondering, we stole it off the streets.
No,
I'm just kidding.
it just left. And roll the clips. Oh!
Oh, there we go.
No! This is such a lit song. Oh, oh, oh.
High five.
Yeah! You should give me one.
Have it.
Oh my god! It knows how to twerk! That was a lit.
You're basically Miley Cyrus now.
Gangster.
Okay.
He's not over it. He's
Good job.
cleaning.
Woo, good job. Good job.
Oh my god, he's drawing. He drew that. Oh my gosh, he's amazing. Oh my gosh.
Look, you want it? 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 Go get it.
Get up, Chubby. Asia. Well, that's it for today's video. Well, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe. Subscribe. Comment down below. Stuff, whatever you want.
Give it a paw. I'm pretty sure he would want you to give it a paw. And by paw, I mean thumbs up.
I will see you guys next time. Woo!